Opposing Jupiter. Welcome to Stargazers. I'm James Albury, director of the Kika Silva Pla Planetarium in Gainesville, Florida.
And I'm Dean Regas, astronomer from the Cincinnati Observatory.
It's that time of year again for viewing my favorite gas giant planet at its biggest and brightest.
That's right, James. On June 10th, Jupiter will be at opposition. This means that it'll be in a great location for viewing.
What are we talking about? Let's show you.
Jupiter is the largest of all the planets in our Sun's family and is the fifth planet from the Sun, our Earth being number 3. Earth is, on average, 93 million miles away from the Sun, whereas Jupiter's average distance is 484 million miles. Those are pretty big numbers, and because the planets are so far away from each other, astronomers don't often refer to the distances in the solar system using miles or kilometers. That would be like measuring the distance from your house to the grocery store in inches or centimeters.
Instead, we use the average distance between the Earth and the Sun as our measuring stick. We call that distance an astronomical unit, or AU. So if we converted our units from miles to AUs, Earth is 1 astronomical unit from the Sun, and Jupiter, on average, is 5.2 astronomical units from the Sun.
As Jupiter and Earth orbit the Sun, they constantly vary their distance from each other. When Jupiter is at its furthest distance from us and is on the other side of the Sun, as seen from Earth, it can be as far as 6.2 astronomical units away.
However, once every year, Earth and Jupiter line up on the same side of the Sun and are a whole 2 astronomical units closer to each other. Whenever this happens, we say Jupiter is at opposition because Jupiter is opposite the Sun in the sky as seen from Earth.
And when Jupiter is at opposition, it is always at its closest, brightest, and best for viewing. Jupiter will be at opposition this year on Monday, June 10th, and just under 4.3 astronomical units away. So this makes it great for viewing in a small telescope. Okay, we have our skies set for 11 p.m. any night this week. If you look toward the southeast, you'll see Jupiter among the stars of Ophiuchus, the Serpent Bearer. On June 10th, Jupiter will form a triangle with the star Antares in Scorpius and Sabik in Ophiuchus.
If you've been watching Jupiter over the last few months, you probably noticed it moving from east to west between Scorpius and Sagittarius. We call this retrograde motion, and it's an optical illusion caused by us passing Jupiter in our orbit. Jupiter began its retrograde motion on April 15th this year and performs this apparent backward motion for almost 120 days each year.
If you keep an eye on Jupiter as we travel past it, you'll notice it continues to travel westward through Ophiuchus, reaching its closest approach to Scorpius on August 11th. Jupiter will appear to pause and then begin traveling eastward again.
No wonder they called the planets wandering stars.
The planet Jupiter has been observed in the sky since antiquity. The ancient Romans named it after the king of their gods, whom the Greeks referred to as Zeus.
Babylonian astronomers have records of Jupiter dating back to the 7th century BC. In his book, The Almagest, Greek astronomer Claudius Ptolemy used Jupiter's motion with respect to the Earth to refine his Earth-centered model of the solar system. Lastly, if you're like me and you really get excited about conjunctions, set your calendars for just after sunset on November 23rd of this year, and Jupiter will be having a super close conjunction with Venus.
Venus and Jupiter will be only 1.5 degrees or 3 full moon widths apart that day. They'll both be extremely bright and visible very close to the southwestern horizon.
However, if you want to see a crazy close conjunction, check out Jupiter next year on December 21st, 2020, when it has a super close pairing with Saturn. Jupiter and Saturn will be only a 1/10 of a degree, or 1/5 of a full moon width apart. They'll be so close that you'll be able to see them both in the same field of view in a small telescope.
Wow. Now, you don't have to plan that far ahead to see the king of the planets this week. It's easy to see Jupiter when you remember to keep looking up.